How to book a multi-city trip on Xiamen Airlines. Hello, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can book a multi-city trip on Xiamen Airlines. And how do you go about it? First step is to log in into Xiamen Airlines account, just like I've done here. And then once you are logged in, next step is to move to the section where you can see book flights. Under this, you can see options like round trip, one way, multi-city. So click on multi-city. And here now, you have to select the departure, okay, where you're departing from, and your destination. So ensure you're entering your destination, and then you have to select your departure dates. Your departure date, okay. Since it's a multi-city, only the departure date will be asked for the first trip. Then the second trip, since you are having a multi trip, you have to select your location. Where would you be, okay, as well as your destination, okay, where are you heading to. So select your dates on what day are you departing, and then you can add as under flights if you want. If you want more than 2 flights, you can add about 4 flights on Xiamen Airlines. This is a very good advantage. For multi-city trips, you can add as many as 4. All right. And then once you're done, click on the search icon. All right, I'm just going to delete it. Then click on the search icon. After clicking on the search icon, the flights available for those days will be displayed to you. Just go ahead and select the one that fits into your schedule, the one that is preferable, the one that is according to your budget. And then after selecting the one, after choosing, you take it to the next stage where you'll be asked to enter in your passenger information. Do that. If you want to add additional services, the class that you don't want to choose, just go ahead, choose it, and then make your payment. And just like that, your multi-city trip will be booked, and an e-ticket will be sent to your email together with your confirmation email that your flight has been booked. And you can always refer to this e-ticket whenever you're required to fill in information like your ticket number, your flight number, etc. So this is how to book multi-city trip on Xiamen Airlines. Thank you for watching and have a good day.